still here at the zoo. We're going to be here all day. As a matter of fact, we're going to be here all year. And I'm here with
Ryan.
Hello, Ryan. How are you?
Doing good.
That's awesome. Now, why is it good that people use Miss Dig 811?
Well, if you are digging your yard, you absolutely do not want to hit a gas line, number one, because that can kill you and kill your neighbors. If you hit an electric line, you'll electrocute yourself. Either one is fun.
Neither one is fun. That's absolutely right. And that rhymes. So what number do you dial to contact Miss Dig 811?
Instead of 911, you want to dial 811 first, and also 911 if you have an emergency.
That's absolutely correct. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Thank you for watching What's the 811. Remember to always call 811 before you dig. Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.